Hello, this is Ty with Kinix, and in this video, we're going to go over how to leverage AI in customer reporting. So, really, how I would recommend using the AI is as a way to get a kickstart on building a report or answering a question you have. It's really important that when we use the AI here, we don't just take the answer at face value. We still need to look at the data. We still need to look at what the AI did to produce the answer to make sure that we're, confident in the results, confident that we got back what we were looking for. So I have a specific example here we're going to look at. So I'm going to show you how the AI helps us get started building a report and saves us time, but also how it doesn't return maybe exactly what we want and how we can tweak the AI and also give it some feedback. So it's pretty easy to get started using. What you'll do is you'll select a data source, same way you would search for existing answers in reports, and you'll just type a question. So I have this question here that I tried earlier, and I'm just going to ask it again because I think it's a great example of how the AI does a good job, but not a perfect job all the time with what it returns. So I asked it, what were my total sales by item type in the last 3 months? So I could probably ask that question to multiple different data sets. I could probably ask that to packages. I could ask that to order items as well. Both those data sets contain information about sales and items. So there's multiple places you can start. And this is the answer the AI gives us. So let's take a look at this and just see if it got it right. So we've got the sum of sales price on the package. So that's good. That is what we asked for. We asked for sales data. It's also selected item type field, and we can see the item types displayed in the chart down below. So that is also good. That's what we're looking for. And it also filtered down to the last 3 months, although when we're looking at sales data, we probably don't care about the package date. What we probably care more about is the delivery date. So you can see here, while the AI did a really good job getting us started, it didn't exactly produce, a 100% accurate answer. So that's where, we just want to be conscious of using the AI the right way. It's here to help you build reports faster. It's not here to give you the correct answer every time. We still have a little bit of work to do. There's two ways you can go about fixing this answer. First way, kind of simple way to do this, you'll just go in, you'll hit edit, and now what's appearing here is just the report building view. And now you can expand upon, change, do whatever you want with the AI answer. So really simple, we can just say, you know what, that was the wrong date. Give me the delivery date instead. And boom, there we go. Now we have the report that we're looking for. So you can see how, like, all I had to do was type a question, click edit, and change one field. Like, super fast. And that's really what the AI is for. Just make it, especially maybe if you don't have a lot of reporting experience previously, it can help you get started. Or even if you do have a lot of experience, this can just make it that little bit faster and save you some time. So cool. So now I've got the answer that I want, and I can save this answer and make it discoverable, etc. I'm just going to save this for now. So, and then let's let's back up a step and ask the same question again and see what happens. So you can notice a couple things here. Down below in the search results, I do have that answer that we just took from the AI and edited. So now that that's created, when I search this, I am going to get that back as an answer for in this bottom section here that returns existing answers and live boards. But you'll also notice that the AI did not learn its lesson because we asked the same question and it's giving us package date again. So how do we fix that so that the next time I ask a question like this, the AI knows what to do. What we're going to do here is we're going to use the little thumbs down arrow in the bottom right-hand corner to give the AI a little bit of feedback. So let's fix this answer. So now we're doing the same thing that we did when we selected edit, but this is actually, we're actually opting into basically giving the AI some coaching, some advice on what we want to get returned. So I want delivery date, not package date. So I'm going to change that and hit submit. And give it a second to load. Usually what will happen here is it'll ask us a question of something. For example, it might ask us, oh, nope, it's not going to ask us to confirm anything. Well, sometimes it'll ask you a question and it'll say something like, so should we use delivery date instead of package date when asking about XYZ or something like that? And you'll just kind of give it an additional confirmation. But anyways, we've sent some feedback to the AI. This feedback, so all the users that are using this AI across Canix, across everyone, the AI is going to learn from everyone's feedback, but it's also going to learn about your company specifically, and it's also going to learn about you as a user specifically. So it's taking this feedback at multiple levels of granularity and trying to apply that to give you a better answer the next time. And so, yeah, definitely encourage you to give that feedback and maybe help refine the AI. So we can see now I'm asking this question and now I get what I'm looking for by delivery date. And what we're hoping for, and I haven't tried this specific scenario yet, so we'll see if this works. But what we're hoping for is when I ask a similar question that's a little bit different, the AI is still going to know to use that delivery date instead of the package date. So what were my total sales? And we'll keep it really similar just to see if this works here. Let's just look at by item name instead of by item type. And right, so now we're cutting the data by item type, but it knows that we're looking for delivery date, not package date. So that's where definitely helps Canix, if you can provide this feedback. So we appreciate you if you do take the time to give the AI some feedback and help it learn. But it also helps you and it helps the users at your company over time. It just makes that AI more and more useful and helps prevent any misleading answers. Because in the previous scenario, when we had filtered by package date, you could easily, if you don't look at it closely, you could easily say, oh yeah, it filtered by the date and I got my sum and sales price and I've got my item type and we're good to go. So it's really nice if we can correct these problems and prevent any situations where someone at your company might be using an AI answer, that wasn't quite right. And we don't want to be making decisions on data that's not, exactly what we want to be looking at. So yeah, I hope this AI is helpful for you. Hope it makes reporting faster, and I hope it helps maybe some users who don't have a ton of reporting or data experience start to learn how to use this tool and learn how to use data to make better decisions. And yeah, let us know if you have any feedback here or any questions about using the AI, the limitations of the AI, or providing feedback, anything like that. Thanks so much.